Now with FCS, Jason Hall, to present the quality message.
Morning, everybody. The theme for my talk this morning is the line drawn 4 seconds before or 4 months after. And by this I mean before award and after award, during the design phase or during the construction phase. And specifically, the item that would have taken only 4 seconds to include during the design phase could take 4 months to shoehorn into the project during the construction phase. Now, I speak of design and construction as being a delineation between 2 points in a process, but this could apply to anything. There's always, in everybody's life, somebody above them and somebody below them. There's an opportunity for you to receive something that you need to do from somebody else, but there's also opportunities for you to shove something down the line. So you should be very careful to do things when we are able to do them and not to postpone them. Specifically, the 110-100 rule, which means that the further down the line that one needlessly flows an item, the longer it will take and the more that it will cost. By this we mean that the owner starts with a concept, he gives it to the designer and asks him to solve it. That would cost about $1. After that, the designer might consider that he doesn't know too much about it, but he figures that this gets built all the time, so he puts it to the contractor. He gets him to solve it. Unfortunately, that costs $10. The contractor himself says, well, I'm not sure exactly what the owner's going to want. I'm not really very good at this either, but I won't work this into my construction. Maybe the owner, he'll solve it when he gets it. But when the owner gets it, it's going to cost him $100. So the owner starts out with something that should have cost him $1. Now he finds it's going to cost him $100. So, for example, adding a shower head before award is quick and easy. However, adding the same shower head after award incurs cost, as I mentioned above, which increases with the contractor's strategic pay item values and also rework in a lot of cases. Also, it takes time because the client in engineering has to consider it for design change approvals, and approvals can take a long time. Now, why is this? It's because pre-award, a concept that goes into a design takes one round of signatures to rule them all. In other words, the IFCs come out, it's all considered at once, everybody signs it, and it's given off to the contractor. However, if this is considered post-award, we have one round of signatures for each, and every single one of a long list of little additions and changes to a project that was supposed to be absolutely perfect. On the day it went out for one opportunity to get competitive pricing for the project and all of its components, etc., etc., etc. And I use a long sentence to make my point. So the translation of this is that we have loss of economy of scale as the project moves on. So I'll finish up with what I said before. The item that would have taken only 4 seconds to include during the design phase could take 4 months to shoehorn into the project during the construction phase. Thank you very much.
Very important message to take away. Thank you, Jason.